Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use mobile hotspot on your OPPO Reno 15F. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the settings. Now after we open up the settings, what we want to do is we got the mobile network right here, and what we want to do is we want to go to personal hotspot. We can enable this, and now we got the name, the password. We can click on it and of course change it. So this is the name. Of course I'm going to change it to, let's say, hard reset, and the password will be, for example, 999-888-777-6667. Now save, and this is our new name and password for the personal hotspot. And basically when somebody will try and connect, they will see it in their networks. So as you guys can see, we got it. I used my second phone for this. We got the network, it's hard reset, and now the password. So 999-888, and it was 777-6667. And as you guys can see, I can go over, click connect, and this will basically bring me into the network. So that's how you guys can set up your personal hotspot. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.